Son, did you just fall off? Get back on the train. Drive more ahead, you guys. I wouldn't park there. You are stupid. You are so stupid. Ah, you made it. Jump on. Where is the car gone? Where is the car? We're here. Yes, let's do it. I just did. Why did the train stop? Why did the train stop? Hey, who just killed me? Wait, what? See ya. See yas. See yas. No. Move, I'm gonna get a cop chase. Where'd you go? You're glitching. What the hell are you doing? You're crouching in the air. Just shoot things. Not me. What jet? Where's the jet? I don't see no jet. Who? Who? The one in the carrier? Hello. What about me and, longings? Wait, what? Shoot! Yep. Hey, keep on shooting. Yeah, try to snipe him. Oops. Oh! 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 Did you see that lucky recovery? There? Did you? Whoa! Almost fell off again. Yeah, no, that ain't safe. That ain't safe. That ain't safe at all. Shut up, it's not funny. Move! Did you fall off as well? Where are we going? Get a police chase, everyone. We're getting a police chase, aren't we? I've already started it. I'm on 1 star. Who's on 1 star? Is anyone on a star yet? Nathan sent me a message. I be watching YouTube. Who are you? Whoa! You just bloody glitched like hell. Everyone's glitching. What about me? Am I glitching? They don't. What the hell? Why is it so smoky? How did he die? How did you die, dude? We're survivors. Me and you are survivors. Goodbye. Where are you going? Use asses. On the same train? Are you gonna get on the same train? Oh no! I'm caught on fire! I'm catching on fire! No! No one's a modder. What's his name? I'm trying to get a big police chase. Well, I'm way ahead of you, so I'm already on the train. Where the hell are yous? Yous are way behind me. No, don't catch the next one. Drive to me. Drive to me, dudes. Get one. Who's in a helicopter? Okay, we're out of a tunnel. I'm out of a tunnel. Where are you? Oh yeah, I'm going back to thingy. I'm going to the airport bit. And by the way, you're gonna have to be pretty quick because, yeah, I'm still on the train.